Greetings and salutations, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And so for today, I wanted to kind of elaborate a little bit on the Pixel 4a. And that there's already videos basically leaked out talking about this device that possibly would have been set for a unveiling at Google I/O had Google I/O not been canceled due to certain things. But nonetheless, kind of exciting to see that this device is coming through, and much like the Pixel 3a from last year, I am hoping that the Pixel 4a delivers in the same way, as Google has a very bad track record of releasing flagship devices. When you look at the past Pixel devices, and I'm talking about the flagship versions, they've always had some sort of issue going on with them going forward, which then had people pretty much frowning on them and making the Pixels less appetizing to really look at as far as becoming your daily driver for day-to-day usage. One of the biggest things that actually backs that is the fact that most people will say that Pixel devices get better over time. With every iteration of a software update makes the Pixels better, and it shouldn't really be that way. It should be good upon release and then get better, not buggy upon release and then get good. But at the light at the end of the tunnel when it comes to Pixel devices, it seems that Google has done really good jobs with the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL. Those devices sold quite a bit. As a matter of fact, it's been stated that the Pixel 3a and the 3a XL outsold the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. And so that speaks volumes. Now, should Google just completely maintain focus on mid-range? My opinion, no. They should perfect their flagships and get them better. But they should not quit on their mid-range as it's looking to do good. And as you guys can see, these are the specs being tossed out by the Pixel 4a, and there's only one variation that we are seeing. We're not seeing an XL version for it, and that's, to me, that's totally fine. You know, I mean, you have the Pixel 4, you have the Pixel 4 XL. Pixel 4a sits right in the middle in between them as far as size, and I'm totally okay with that. Now, in the leaked video, it shows a lot of things about the device, and obviously things that we pretty much speculated from the beginning. The fact is that the body itself is going to be plastic. It is going to have that square camera module, but it doesn't house 2 or 3 camera sensors, just one camera sensor and one LED flash in the back of the device. In the front, it has that hole punch selfie cam to really kind of shorten the bezels on this thing, which people kind of do want smaller bezels, and so I guess they listen. But the hole punch design, I don't know. I think this phone is going to be great for wallpapers that have characters like Baymax from Big Hero 6 and stuff like that to kind of just mask that hole on the top. But nonetheless, I mean, where the camera is positioned and how the camera is positioned is not a big concern of mine. How the camera performs is a big concern of mine, as Pixels have always been known for great still shots. They do good in videos. I don't care what anyone else says. People can talk about, well, the iPhones do this in videos. Okay, I get it, whatever. But you know what? But by making a statement like that, making it seem like that you're shooting from a potato with the Pixel device is actually false. Videos from the Pixel devices actually come out pretty good. I have a Pixel 3 and I take videos with it all the time. As a matter of fact, some of my YouTube videos where I'm shooting a phone, whether I'm reviewing a phone or unboxing or whatever, it's been done from my Pixel 3. And there's hasn't people who's been, you know, commenting, talking about that the quality of the video is so trash that they can't even watch the video. So that speaks volumes right there that the Pixel 3 actually does good with video. I am hoping that video does get better in time with the Pixel devices. And even though I don't have any plans to get the Pixel 5, I'm hoping that video is corrected in that, and I mean that not as in like videos is superly bad, but just that they bring more features and more things you can do with taking video as much as you can already do with still shot photography from the Pixel devices. Now the Pixel 4a, is this really it? I mean, you know, I'm looking at it. I don't think it's bad. The design-wise, I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to basically calibrate it to look like the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. I would have really liked if they kind of went with similar color schemes for the device itself. I mean, we've seen the all-black version of the Pixel 4a in this video that's being circulated around and leaked, but I would really love to see just other things. Not Maybe and also orange. Who knows? Because people were kind of digging that color. But I thought maybe they could have just matte black the entire side of the device and then used different colors in the back. Maybe like an aqua blue. Maybe even like a yellow, like a canary yellow. Or let's go with something that's like ruby red or something like that. Really kind of bring it and make it pop. As far as specifications, I haven't seen many devices that had the Snapdragon 700 series. I believe the Moto Razr, the foldable device, uses a Snapdragon 700 series. And again, people, when you're talking about specs here and you're looking at it, you're like, well, it's a Snapdragon 700 series, but this is a mid-range device. The Pixel 4a is not a flagship to contend against the iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max. This device is just a mid-ranger, and that's where we got to keep our focus at. And hopefully Google knocks it out the park again with this one. Do I, in fact, have intentions of getting a Pixel 4a? If I have the money for it, yes, I will get it. And if I get it, I will, of course, unbox it and show you guys and share my experiences with it. One of the things that I am hoping is that this does have DSDS support. As I have multiple lines with various different carriers, and I would love to be able to just condense that to just one or two devices and being able to smart switch in between. So who knows? But anyways, guys, that is it for my thoughts on the Pixel 4a. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash that like button to let me know. If you just subscribed to my channel, thanks for doing so. I really appreciate that. The bell icon next to the subscribe button is how you will get notified every time I upload another video or when I go live. So that is it for right now, guys. I will talk to you on the next one. And as always, aloha.